Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with AMD. Whenever you're trying to install the drivers, you got the error 195. Radeon software installer cannot proceed as some required web servers are currently unavailable. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, click on the option Windows Update, scroll down and you will find the option of advanced options. Click on it. Over here, click on the option optional updates, and here whatever the updates regarding your AMD driver is available, check mark the option and click on the option download and install, and it will automatically update your software to the latest updates. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Go ahead, expand your display adapter and note down the name of your GPU. For example, at my end it is Radeon RX 5500M. Go ahead and open the official website of AMD, and here in the search box type in the name of your product, which is AMD Radeon RX 5500M. Select it and click on the option submit. Now it will provide you relevant drivers, and depending upon the type of Windows you have, expand Windows 10 or Windows 11. I have Windows 11 edition, so I have expanded Windows 11. Then here scroll down and you will find the option of AMD software Adereline edition. Go ahead, download this latest drivers, save it into your system. Once these drivers are installed, go ahead and run it, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of AMD error 195. Now if installing these drivers doesn't fix out the issue and you are still getting the error code, again right in this web page you need to download the auto installation of drivers, which is auto detect and install. Click on this download option, save it onto your system. Once it is saved, go ahead and run it. Click on the option install. Now before proceeding, open your Windows security, click on the option virus and threat protection, click on the option manage settings and go ahead and turn it off. Now in this left pane, click on the option firewall and network protection, and under the domain private as well as public, select each one of them and choose the option off. Make sure you turn off all three options available right over here. And if you have installed third-party antivirus, make sure you completely disable third-party antivirus in your system. Now at this point of time, click on the option additional options, and instead of full install, you need to choose the option driver only. Once it is chosen, go ahead and choose the option install, and this will install the Radeon software in your system to fix out the issue of AMD error 195. However, if choosing the driver only doesn't fix out the issue, and again it gives you the AMD error 195, then under the version you need to expand it, and from here choose the option Pro, again expand, and from the drop down list again choose the option driver only. Then go ahead and click on the option install, and this will completely fix out the issue of AMD error 195 while installing the graphic drivers for your AMD. However, if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to install the older drivers. To do so, here is another website, which is Tech Power Up. This website provides you the older drivers for your system. Go ahead and choose the option show older drivers. Next to a driver, it gives you the name when the driver was released. So I suggest you to at least download the drivers minimum of 4 to 5 months old. So scroll down, and from here you can choose a September version. Click on the option download. Choose any server over here, click on it, save it into your system, and go ahead, and once the drivers are downloaded, install these drivers, and this will completely fix out the issue of AMD error 195 while installing the AMD graphic drivers. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.